Many people consider gravel soil to be a great soil in Bordeaux because of its drainage properties, and it's a very warm soil, but perhaps many people don't always consider the rich clay soils that retain a lot of water to be fine soils in Bordeaux, but there is a limiting factor in clay soils. What is that actually?
So in fact, with regard to the relation between soil texture and quality, in fact the extremes are good and intermediate texture are less good, because the extremes induce limiting factors. So gravelly soils, as you said, because they have a very limited water holding capacity, so water is limiting. In the very heavy clay soil, there is a lot of water, but the water is very much retained by the clay, and so the vines have difficulties in extracting the water from the soil. So there's in fact a limitation in the water uptake of the vines, not because there's no water in the soil, in fact there's plenty, but because it's difficult to extract. And in fact, water uptake is not limiting when you have intermediate textures, loamy, clayey textures, then there's no limitation. Or in deep sandy soils, there's also much less limitation, and those soils are less interesting for producing very high quality.